I always recommend to kind of, yeah, you could do that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you finally get to meet the one and only William, my fiance. You got to see a little bit earlier in my previous video. So today we're going to try out an interesting product, and actually Will decided to pick this one up when we went to the local Target. Right now we're in Montana visiting his parents, so we thought this would be a really fun video to do while we're on the road.
I chose the PORE Refining Regimen Kit from e.l.f. The reason I chose this particular product was because the packaging was very eye-catching, and also we've previously been talking about tea tree oil and the benefits it has for healing skin.
And I thought it was really interesting that there are 3 different strips that come in the kit. One is supposed to soften the skin and open the pores. The second one seems like it's the very traditional pore strip that you would find in your normal BORE type of pore strips. And then the third one is to tone and tighten the pores. And I was very pleased that a skincare product piqued William's interest. So without further ado,
let's get started.
So we're just going to open up the package. This kit retailed for $10 at the Target we went to. So let's see what we have inside. Okay. They come in a cute little attached package like this, and it has step 1, 2, and 3, which makes it super easy to use. So there you are, one for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so very nicely on the package it says step 1, soften and prep the skin. Apply strip number 1 to soften skin and open the pores. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. So this product has no parabens, no sulfates, and no phthalates. I definitely say that wrong every time. So it just looks like this. It's like a mini face mask for your nose. This is so cute.
Which part goes on the top of my nose?
I think it's symmetrical, so it doesn't really matter. With these face kits, there's always gonna be like extra essence inside, so I always recommend to kind of, yeah, you could do that. That's one way to do it. So what I do is kind of just pour it into my hands, so you see all that product that kind of came out. And I just kind of take it and apply it onto the strip to make sure that it gets all the hydration. All right, so we're going to let this sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will move on to step 2.
2 minutes later.
It's been 2 minutes, let's go. To the bathroom we go, friends. All right, so we brought you into the bathroom because for step 2, it actually says to wet nose with warm water, apply strip number 2 to damp skin, allow it to dry for 5 minutes or until completely hardened, then slowly peel off to remove the blackheads. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the strip just looks like this, your very classic BORE type of strip. Okay, this is really hard to peel off. Are you having trouble? And then we're just gonna press this into the skin. And okay, so we got this strips on. You know, sometimes you need a buddy to apply it properly, but it says to let it dry for 5 minutes or until completely hardened, and then we're gonna peel it off. So I guess we'll see you in about 5 minutes. All right, so it's definitely been more than 5 minutes, but I think ours are now completely dry. Slowly, gently remove, and then we will show you what we have. Oh, it didn't hurt at all. Did yours hurt?
A little bit.
Okay, I see pretty good stuff. How about you? Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Where's yours? Do you just not have blackheads? What's going on?
My skin's just that good.
I don't know if you can see that, but there is a decent amount of blackheads that have come out. All right, so now is the very last step. We're going to apply strip number 3 to tone and tighten the pores. Leave on for 3 minutes. So this one's like the thickest one in the pack. I wonder what's in here. Oh, it's like a jelly. Ooh. Oh my god, hold on. That's definitely not proper. I don't know why I'm finding this so hard to put on. Okay, there we go. So this one says to keep it on for 3 minutes, but for anyone that's like me, I just keep jellies or face masks like this on for as long as I'm awake or as long as I can tolerate it. So I'm sure if I keep this on for a little bit longer, it won't be doing too much harm. We're gonna keep this on for at least 3 minutes, probably more, and then we'll give you a final thoughts and opinions on the 3-step e.l.f. pore mask. final thoughts on the e.l.f. mask. What do you think?
I feel silky smooth and moisturized and cleared.
Alright, well, you heard it from him first. I really enjoyed that there were 3 steps with it. I like that the first one was like a little mini face mask for your face, and then the last step was kind of like those like under eye bag patches or like lip masks since they were jelly for your nose. So it was interesting to kind of see those different skincare pieces on your nose. Overall, it was nice. I think for about $3.30 each, I would do one maybe every so often. I know that they don't really recommend using a pore strip very frequently because it can actually enlarge your pores, but for once in a while, it was kind of fun to just kind of relax and focus on your nose for a little bit, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And
you can go ahead and like it, dislike it, share it, do whatever you want with the video, and we will see you next time.
bye.